Why do I feel kind of sad right now? I feel like I'm announcing my leave from YouTube permanently. I'm not. I'm only gonna be gone for a month. But as you can tell, I am just doing a little update video for you guys because I have officially began my maternity leave, and I wanted to let you guys know what you can expect, how I'm planning my maternity leave to go, when I plan on coming back, and what it's going to look like. And I know it's not a big deal, and I know you guys respect my needs for my body to heal, to spend some time with my baby. I know that's not an issue at all, but I do upload about every single day, if not long form, then in short form. So obviously things are going to change, and I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up of what that's gonna look like. So this is my first child, so I really wasn't sure how I wanted to do my maternity leave and what I wanted it to look like, but ultimately I did not pre-film anything. When you pre-film, you're doing double the work pretty much in half of the time. So I spent my pregnancy working as hard as I wanted, as I felt, and giving you guys the best content that I could give you with my current energy levels. And when I felt it was time to throw in the towel and I couldn't do it anymore, I was just gonna go on maternity leave, and that's what I'm doing. It's gotten to the point where sitting down to film for 2 hours to 3 hours sometimes a day is causing me pain in my back, and I'm limping. So that is my body's sign to say, it's time to go on that maternity leave, girl. So I did not pre-film anything because I just wanted to give my best efforts forward for the current content. So what is going to be going up in that time? So I will be taking a month off, probably all of February from YouTube. But in the meantime, there will 1 to 2 times a week be a long compilation video posted, whether it be my speed reviews, my declutters. I have thousands of videos on my channel, and now all of that hard work is coming in handy. So Jose has been spending some time compiling some videos that are hours long that you can have in the background. If you've only subscribed to my channel recently, you can just throw those on, see some old videos. They're all some of my favorite videos that I've done, and that is a great way if you would like to support my channel. No pressure at all. Those aren't new videos if you see me posting them for the most part, and I would really appreciate it though if you have interest just playing them in the background. They're gonna be hours long, or if you're doing something, having them there if you're interested in the topic. So that is what you're gonna see for the next month, is compilation videos of previous videos that I've done, as well as short form. When I can, I will be re-uploading select short form videos. So if you see it come up and you're like, haven't I seen this before? You have. I'm just recycling my content for this next month. And you know what? I'm happy to do that because I put a lot of effort and thought and work into my videos. So I am happy to give these videos and pieces of content a little bit of a second life. So that's what you can expect for the next month. If you click on something and you're like, wait, haven't I seen it before? Yes, you have. You are not crazy. We're just re-uploading some things for the first month of maternity leave. I might pop in here and there, maybe for like an easy shop or drop, or a super casual, informal doing my makeup videos if I feel like it. I think, I don't know what it feels like to have a newborn and to give birth, so I don't want to pressure my body into anything that it's not ready to do. But if I feel up to it, I'm open to it. So I might pop in here and there, but I also might not this first month. And then after the first month, starting in March, I will slowly start to come back. And I'm hoping by April that I am back in full swing. But February, I'm off. March, we'll slowly be making our way back. I am so lucky to have a job that I love and that doesn't feel like a job. So I am expecting that I will pop in occasionally with a video or two just for fun, but I also might not. I don't want to promise that. I want to give my body the time that it needs. I want to bond with my baby, and you guys already know. You're already so supportive of that, but I did just want to give you that heads up. If you do want to keep up with me, I will definitely be more active on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. I think since I won't be spending my time focusing on the long form videos, I actually will have more time to be present on stories, giving you guys little updates. I might do some little short vlogs as I feel if I want to create them, because this is such a life-changing point in my life. I like to do these vlogs for the family that we have internationally. So if you see like newborn vlogs or anything, days in my life, anything like that, no, it's not my content changing. It's just me documenting this new phase of my life, really, for my family to see it overseas. And once I'm back in full swing, the makeup videos will be back in full swing, but I might dedicate a little bit more time to some quickie little vlogs just for Jose and I to have for the memories and to share with our family in Spain. So definitely make sure you are following me on Instagram or TikTok if you want to keep up with me a little bit more, because I am probably going to show up there more than here on YouTube with actual long form content, since this takes up so much time and those things don't, because I love being connected with you guys. I love my community. That is not work to me. Sitting down, doing a formal YouTube video that requires all of the editing, prepping, tagging, that is the work part. Unfortunately, what I talk about is fun. That's not the work part, but it's all of that stuff. So we're giving that up, and you can catch up with me at Morgan Turner Makeup. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. You know, I've been updating you here and there about my pregnancy. I've done all of my trimester reviews if you want to check those out, and you guys have been sending throughout my pregnancy the sweetest messages, and when I ask for advice, you guys give the best advice. So I couldn't be more thankful for this community and grateful to have you guys here at my side. So I just wanted to give you a heads up what to expect. Compilation videos, if you have them on in the background, thank you. I appreciate the support. Taking off February and then slowly dipping my toes back in March. Might upload some things here and there, but just gonna play it by ear. I am really looking forward to the time off. This is the first time I've ever taken such an extended leave, but that is the point of maternity leave, when your body goes through something so crazy. And I'm excited. If you have any maternity leave suggestions for me, please let me know, okay? I want to be reading some books. I have some shows that I plan on watching. So I'm actually in the middle of the Throne of Glass series. So give me some more recommendations for once I finish that. And then shows, I have Heated Rivalry, Bridgerton. I haven't watched Emily in Paris yet. So if you want to add to that list, I might do a rewatch of Game of Thrones. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this extra time that I'm gonna have now that I won't be filming anymore for a little bit. So anyways, I just wanted to say goodbye. Really, that's all it was. And just formally announce I'm officially on maternity leave, and I look forward to coming back in March and seeing you guys' faces, and not really, but you know what I mean. But anyways, I hope you guys have a really great February, and I will see you guys in March. Bye. It's delicious.